Taurus, July 12th through the 14th, weekend read. Sun, Moon, and Rising. Taurus, she's the queen of coins. Someone who can nurture somebody, who's very nurturing, very caring, has good experience, decent experience, knows how to love, knows how to take care, and generally nurture. Generally nurture. You're fixated on that energy at the moment. Three of Cups. You're fixated on nurturing, carrying a situation, a group of people. You know what I'm saying? Giving love to a group of people, generally nurturing a group of people here. Wow, that card just fell out by itself. Yeah, the 10 of coins in reverse. So you choosing not to focus on the loss in something, a great loss, a big mistake. Choosing not to focus on a big mistake and choosing just to fixate your energy on nurturing this group here. Nurturing this group. Could be online group, offline group, doesn't matter. 6 of Cups here. So it's gonna be a new 6 of Cups in reverse. Okay? 6 of Cups in reverse. Also the 10 of Coins is in reverse if I didn't say it. 6 of Cups in reverse, there's a new beginning here that's gonna come through you actually nurturing this group. A new beginning, something's gonna start. The 9 of Coins, I feel like you might have people who connect with you, and they're gonna move like in the same direction that you're gonna move in, but it's not gonna be fast, or they might pull back. They want to move in that direction, but they might not move as much. It might not be much help. You might not get much support. You could be dealing with somebody here who's not really willing to invest in you, or give you the experiences that you're looking for. Oh, I don't know if I cut this or not. I gotta cut that. Yes, I do. But for the most part, you're nurturing a group of people, and there's fulfillment within that group. Emotionally stable. You're trying to nurture it to bring something new to it, to get past the big loss that you guys had. Right here, the 10 of Pentacles in the upright. You're trying to bring this back to this. You're trying to get that whole 10 of Pentacles with this group by nurturing it. You know what I'm saying? Trying to nurture the group. Right here, you have the Magician card. Wow, cards just falling out. Magician card. So this situation was manifested. It was almost like the situation, someone did this. Someone did this here. Someone did this. I don't know if it was you, but someone here has some hands, some movement, some trickery going on. You know what I'm saying? 6 of Coins and the Chariot card. New beginnings, sure. New beginnings, sure. But the new beginning is directionless. You want to move. So the new beginning could be something that just kind of continuously moves, or it's gonna go. Let's just go ahead and like start something. No matter where we go, let's just start it. So you kind of want to just do something like wild and free with this new group. There's gonna be a transformation here. There's gonna be a transformation here. It could be some general fear. There's gonna be a transformation that takes place here, ending to this, So what I like to say is, with this particular death card, whenever it lands on a card, it's like it's trying to transform. It's going to transform. It's going to be like basically upright. So you might get some people who are actually going to be moving towards helping you, with the death card here on top of this card. Let's go ahead and clarify your energy for the weekend. Why are you so nurturing? Why are you so nurturing? Because you see the new road, you see the new path, you see the better obstacle to take, you see a better way of things, a better road to go down and explore, with this group, and you nurturing this group because it's going to be very supportive and very abundant.